Hello, I'm Mita. Welcome to the Mtsco Digital Human Channel. Mtsco is a factory complexes for industrial pipeline. We have 4 major product divisions, and today we will introduce our pipey fittings product to you. Mtsco pipe fitting has a highly guaranteed supply chain. Since 2010, Mtsco invested in Honda, a factory with 20 years of manufacturing experience, and reached a high degree of strategic partnership with Honda, and became Honda's only international sales center. Mtsco is fully responsible for the sales and promotion of Honda pipe fittings in the world. The factory covers an area of 7,000, with production capacity of 200 tons/month. In order to solve the problem that you can't visit the factory when you are far away from home, we have specially shot the VR scene of the factory, so that you can inspect the factory in real time online. Scan the QR code on the screen and take a look now. Honda is equipped with CNC lathe, automatic laser cutting machine, 1,000 tons hydraulic press, elbow mandrel machine and other major production and lab inspection equipment. Through more than 10 years of upgrading, Honda has been able to achieve fast delivery. 40 FCL of the fittings only need about 20 to 30 days. At present, Honda has obtained ISO/PED/CRN/TS/M650 certificates. The exclusive cooperation mechanism allows us to collaborate perfectly, increase order volume and production capacity, and provide you products with higher cost effectiveness. As an integrated supplier of industry and trade, Mtsco is proud of our diverse specifications of pipe fittings. We can produce according to standards such as ASTM, EN, JIS, etc., and our materials covering austenitic, duplex steel, nickel alloy, cobalt alloy, etc., in addition to regular sizes. We can also customize shape fittings, prefabrication, etc., according to your requirement. For guarantees for you to choose. First, we will ensure the thickness of the back of elbow. Do not cut corner. Second, we will never use 304 instead of 304L for pipe fittings made of 304L. Third, for the surface of pipe fittings more beautiful, we will take sandblasted surface treatment. Fourth, our products have obtained ISO/PED/CRN/TS/M650 certificates. 3 quality inspection processes ensure the quality of Mtsco pipe fittings. First, secondary inspection of raw materials. Our raw materials come from large factories such as Baosteel, Qingshan, Yongxin. Each batch of raw materials requires MTC and PMI. After the raw materials arrive, we conduct PMI and other inspections again to ensure that they meet the requirements. Second, traceability of the production process. Honda is equipped with CNC lathe, automatic laser cutting machine, 1,000 tons hydraulic press, elbow mandrel machine and other major production equipment. Each process is supervised by experienced engineers and technicians. Each link is supervised by professional QC inspectors and photographed for archiving. The entire process uses process cards to ensure accuracy and traceability. Third, 100% inspection before shipment. Mtsco has professional QC team to conduct a series of inspections and experiments on the fittings, including routine appearance, PMI, size, quantity, NDT and other inspections. At the same time, we also conduct mechanical testing, chemical composition analysis, intergranular corrosion and other laboratory tests. For welded pipe fittings we carry out 100% ultrasonic or radiographic testing of the raw material and pipe fittings. In addition, we also accept third-party inspection, such as SGS, TUV, and BV. As a factory complexes supplier, Mtsco has many years of experience in packaging and containerization. Conventional packaging methods are large one wrapped in cling film, small one molded or wrapped in bubble wrap. The end is protected by pearl cotton. The outside is packed in wooden box/pallet. And the cabinet is reinforced with wooden strips and ropes. All inspection results and loading process will be documented with photos for your traceability requirements. Mtsco pipe fittings have been involved in project construction in many countries and regions. Customers have established a large number of long-term and in-depth cooperative relationships. Why not starting from an inquiry? Feel the quality and service of Mtsco pipe fittings. Services: advanced, focus, efficiency. Mtsco brings you safe assurance. A factory complexes supplier, meeting your desired high cost effectiveness. Contact us through the following website and email. Thank you for your time.